The Supreme Court that is set to deliver its verdict as far as Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's petition against his arrest by the Enforcement Directorate in connection with the money laundering case linked to the now scrapped Delhi excise policy is concerned. Now, do remember, he was granted bail by a trial court on the 20th of June in the case. However, the ED moved the Delhi High Court the next day and contended that the trial court's order granting him bail was one-sided and wrong-sided, and the findings were based on irrelevant facts. The High Court on the 21st of June imposed an interim stay on the trial court's bail order till the passing of an order on the ED's application, and the High Court on the 25th of June also passed a detailed order saying that a trial court order. Ishika, no matter what the outcome today is as far as the court is concerned, will it really mean that Arvind Kejriwal will get to walk out of jail, considering the fact that he's also been arrested by the CBI?
Well, certainly, that is something very difficult to happen. But, this Supreme Court verdict is certainly very, very crucial. Now, why? Because Arvind Kejriwal had, in fact, challenged the legality of his arrest by the Enforcement Directorate. And, in fact, they had said, in fact, Arvind Kejriwal's counsel in the Supreme Court had said that there is not an iota of evidence in the grounds of the arrest. So thus, a Supreme Court verdicts becomes more important because it is going to have an impact on the CBI case as well. And as you rightly mentioned, we have seen that recently only CBI has also arrested Arvind Kejriwal in the same case. Now, what is interesting here to note is that this case was first registered by the CBI, but Arvind Kejriwal was arrested in this case first by the Enforcement Directorate. So these are, both of the agencies that are looking into the same case, that is the alleged liquor policy scam. Now, the ED counsel in the court had, in fact, in the multiple hearings, they had said that, they do have evidence that Arvind Kejriwal had demanded those 100 crore rupees kickbacks from the South, from the alleged South group, and Vijay Nair was, in fact, acting on his behalf and coordinating all of these meetings during the lockdown in the national capital. So these were all of these, facts and the arguments that were put forth by the ED counsel. So certainly, we are certainly awaiting as to what will be the Supreme Court's decision be. Will, in fact, the court say that the legality of Arvind Kejriwal's arrest maintains, because that certainly is what the High Court had earlier said. But certainly, whatever it may be, it is going to have a huge impact on the CBI case as well. Over to you.
Right. Given the fact that, the last time round, we thought that Arvind Kejriwal is going to get out of jail, and it was within hours or perhaps the next day. But then there was a stay on that order. And then, of course, soon after that, 5 days, in fact, after that, is when the CBI took charge and, also arrested him in that same case. So, of course, there are two agencies against him, which is the Enforcement Directorate and the CBI. And, of course, this also comes on the heels of Manish Sisodia's bail plea that came up in court yesterday.
Well, yes, in fact, as you rightly mentioned, there are two agencies, that is EDI and CBI. In fact, both of them are investigating the same case, that is the alleged liquor policy scam. And we did see how, in fact, Arvind Kejriwal did get a regular bail from the Rouse Avenue Court, but the Enforcement Directorate reached the High Court. And soon after, we saw that CBI also, in fact, reached with Arvind Kejriwal in the Rouse Avenue Court and then arrested him there. So certainly, it is the two agencies that are interrogating him in the same matter. But, we have seen the Aam Aadmi Party's reaction also coming. They are saying that it is certainly not right for the agencies who are working on the directions of the BJP-led union government to target Arvind Kejriwal like this and to defame the Aam Aadmi Party. But, we have, trouble is certainly mounting, because it is not just Arvind Kejriwal, it is, certainly other top leaders like Manish Sisodia also who are, in this particular case, who have already been arrested in this particular case. So all of this, certainly is going to have an impact. We have seen Manish Sisodia's bail also coming in, but the ED and the CBI, both of them continue to say that they have enough evidence that Arvind Kejriwal is the kingpin of this alleged, liquor policy scam, and they are going to continue to put that in the court. So certainly it becomes very important as to what the Supreme Court's verdict will be today. What will be their, certainly their order on the legality of the arrest of Arvind Kejriwal by the Enforcement Directorate.